Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, March 14th, 2014, and the U.S. market is not closed. Listen, it's so bad today. I am doing this before the actual close of the day. We have about 25 minutes to go. I got to go to a meeting. I want to get this over with, and I don't want to think about it while I'm at the meeting, or I don't want to think about it anymore today. We closed out negative $18,000 today. I can't remember. It doesn't matter. We have not had three consecutive losing days like we have had the last 3 days in over 3 years. So this is a real record setter in terms of market horribleness. But then again, I would want to quickly add to that, we didn't have a single month where we made over $150,000 in 1 month like we did in February either. So maybe these extraordinary events go together. I mean, things have a way of averaging out, and this is the way things get averaged out, but it's pretty tough. We just lost across the board today. I had one trade actually almost $7,000. It was negative, and everything, almost everything else. Had two winners out of the bunch, and we got into some things. Not too bad, but last time I looked, and we'll look again when I do the charts, we're down about $1,000 on an open trade. So it's just overall really bad day. And all I can say, again, you've heard me say it before, these things happen. And if you trade a system long enough, it's going to happen to you, but the system makes a lot of money, and we'll have a turnaround. We'll see this money made up very shortly, I think, and you may be amazed at just how quickly we do make that money back. Anyway, let's take a look at the chart. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and we have 25 minutes to go. The Dow is down 22 points, and our open trade equity is negative 800. Actually, I just flashed 8. Hey, it's getting better. Negative $694 as I speak. So that has improved a little bit. So who knows? Maybe that'll be positive in 25 minutes when the market closes, but it's not going to do as much good. This $18,000 loss, by the way, isn't what happened today. It's what happened here. And we carried those into today, and so we're getting out of those. Today's action was obviously pretty sideways. Looks to me like it's putting in a bottom. It would surprise me if we have another negative day on Monday. But of course, you know, the weekend they're having a referendum in the Crimea, and who knows what that could do to the markets. I have no idea of what kind of election results would produce what kind of market reaction. I just have no idea. So, but it could be volatile. So we'll just have to wait and see. That's the best we can do. We had one good trade, and I guess I'll show you one good trade. Why not? This was in CPE, which is Callon Petroleum Company. We had bought this yesterday. Big spike up here. We get into this pretty high, and then it did go against us pretty substantially. Came back, it actually closed against us, but it did move up today. And we did take $2,000 out of that. Anyway, I hope this ends pretty quick, folks. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you all. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you on Monday.